What are some common reasons for a visa denial? Welcome to U.S. Immigration Simplified. I'm immigration and business attorney Ronald Lee. Visa denials can occur for various reasons, depending on the type of visa and individual circumstances. Here are some common reasons. One is incomplete or incorrect documentation, missing documents, failure to provide all required forms, documents, or evidence, incorrect information, errors or discrepancies in the application forms, failure to meet evidence standards, insufficient proof of purpose. Two, failure to demonstrate non-immigrant intent for temporary visas. A common reason for denial of B1, B2 tourist visas, F1 student visas, or J1 exchange visas. A common reason for denial is failure to prove strong ties to your home country, such as family, property, employment, or other obligations. Inability to convince the consular officer that you will return home after your temporary stay. Three, security or criminal issues. Inadmissibility due to criminal convictions or pending criminal charges. Associations with prohibited groups or individuals posing a security threat, false information provided in the application process. 4. Financial inadequacy, inability to prove financial support, lack of sufficient funds to cover your stay in the U.S., insufficient sponsorship evidence, for example, affidavit of support for family-based visas, over-reliance on U.S. public benefits, concerns you may become a public charge affecting your immigrant visas. 5. Health-related issues, inadmissibility for health reasons, having a communicable disease such as tuberculosis, lacking required vaccinations, mental or physical disorders that pose a safety risk. 6. Previous visa violations or immigration history, overstaying a visa. Previous overstays or illegal stays in the U.S. can lead to future denials. Deportation or removal orders, being deported or removed from the U.S. previously. Fraud or misrepresentation, providing false or misleading information in past visa or immigration processes. 7. Ineligibility for the specific visa type, mismatch in visa purpose, applying for a visa type that does not align with their travel purpose, and failure to meet eligibility criteria for employment visas such as H-1B, insufficient qualifications, or an employer who does not meet sponsorship requirements. For student visas, failure to enroll in a qualifying institution. 8. Lack of consistency or credibility, unclear intent, inability to clearly explain your purpose of travel during the visa interview, inconsistent statements, discrepancies between your application and interview responses. 9 is applying too soon after a previous denial. Applying without addressing the issues that led to the initial denial may result in repeated refusals. Now, how do you avoid denial? So 1, be honest and transparent. Provide truthful and accurate information in your application and interview. 2, submit a complete application. Ensure all required forms and supporting documents are included. 3, prepare for the interview. Be ready to explain your purpose of travel, financial support, and plans to return home. 4, address previous issues. If denied before, resolve the reasons for denial before reapplying. If you need help with your visa, feel free to text me at 312-804-1386 or email me at ronald@rdllawgroup.com.